How to break into the space tourism industry. What if your next big business move wasn't just out of the box, but out of this world? The space tourism industry is no longer a sci-fi dream. It's the next frontier for ambitious entrepreneurs and innovators. The question is, how do you break in? Space tourism is projected to become a multi-billion-dollar industry within the next decade. And it's not just for rocket scientists or billionaires. There are real opportunities in infrastructure, services, training, and tech. First, understand the key players. Blue Origin, SpaceX, Virgin Galactic. They're paving the way, but they need partners, vendors, and support systems. Start by finding gaps. Zero-gravity experience providers, astronaut training simulators, or virtual reality space tours. Next, focus on specialized niches. Think luxury zero-gravity accommodations, high-altitude balloon rides, or even space-themed pre-flight hospitality. The entire supply chain, from flight suits to nutrition to in-flight entertainment, needs innovation. Then there's training and safety. Companies will need fitness programs, psychological screening tools, and risk management tech. Building solutions in these areas can position you as an essential part of the ecosystem. Don't ignore space law and regulation. If you've got a legal, compliance, or insurance background, the industry needs expertise in licensing, liability, and interplanetary policy. And of course, marketing and education. Millions are curious about space travel. Creating content, courses, or even simulations can build massive engagement and revenue. You don't need to build a rocket to launch your role in space tourism. You just need vision, timing, and a foothold in the expanding orbit of opportunity. Like big ideas and future-focused business tips? Subscribe, comment, and share to stay ahead in the race to the stars.